Hello class, my name is Miss Daisy and for today's lesson plan, we're going to talk about the four basic steps of problem solving that was according to the Georges Pulling method, which is the four steps is understanding the problem, devise a plan, carrying out the plan, and looking back. The first thing we're going to talk about is understanding the problem. What does that mean? So that means that we're going to analyze the problem, identify the key elements, and try to clarify what needs to be solved. And then the second problem, which is the second step, is the best plan, meaning we're going to choose a suitable method or approachable method to tackle down the problem, which is going to include potential strategies for us to follow our next step. Our next step is carrying out the plan, which means we're going to implement the chosen strategy, perform it, try to place it in our equation, and try to see if we picked out the perfect solution for our problem. And lastly, we're going to do our fourth step, which is looking back, which we're going to check our errors, we're going to reflect on it, we're going to speak about it, and we're going to see if we picked the right correct answer for our equation. So what's the first step we're going to do? We're going to read our problem. Our problem is, I have a doctor's appointment on the other side of town, but my car is in the shop. So class, what is the problem in my equation here? What is my problem in my sentence? So what are we going to do? First, we're going to understand our problem. So we're going to analyze the problem and try to find key information and key limits. So the key information is, I have a doctor's appointment. It's on the other side, but my car's in the shop. So what's my problem? So my problem is that I have a doctor's appointment that I have to go to, but since I don't have a car, how are we going to get to our appointment if we don't have our car or if our car isn't working? So what are we going to do? We're going to devise a plan. Devise a plan means we're going to try to figure out other ways to get to our appointment. So what are other ways that we can get to our appointment? Let's say we can take the bus, we can ride a bike, we can walk, or maybe the best one we could do is try to reschedule an appointment where we do have our car. Correct? So which one is the best advice, the best answer we're going to pick? So once we pick out our best answer, we're going to carry out the plan. So each answer that we pick, we're going to try to see if it's the best answer that we have. So the best answer, let's say we pick, we're going to take the bus. So we're going to put in a question, oh, I have a doctor's appointment on the other side of town, but my car's in the shop. So I decided to take the bus to my appointment. So we're going to look back and we're going to see if we picked the correct most valuable answer for our problem, which is taking the bus. What are the issues about taking the bus? It could either be late, the bus can shut down, um, it can, you know, pick us, drop us off late or have problems in the bus, have issues. So maybe that's not our best answer. Maybe the best answer that we can pick is pick, trying to take our appointment for another day. I feel like that will be our best answer for this equation. So that's what it means to look back. We're going to look back to see if we correctly picked the right choice. So hopefully my class today understood about the four steps of problem solving. That's how we use the four steps of problem solving. So first we understand the problem, we devise a plan, we carry out the plan, and we look back. So hopefully my class today understood our lesson plan today. If you guys have any questions or any remarks or want me to go back or rewrite or reread anything else, please raise your hand and let me know.